Hey guys, I thought I'd do a little video today to show you the difference between a gyro helicopter and a non-gyro helicopter. So this one's the newest one. It's a little nano size helicopter, right? This one has gyro, so gyroscope in it. So as you can see, it's pretty stable, right? It can just hover like that. And I'm just holding the throttle. So it's pretty stable, it just hovers. Doesn't spin. This is me flying around. I ain't gonna land if I can. Oh, guess not. So, gyro. And now, this one is a Syma S012, I think. It's an Apache helicopter. Pretty cool little model. But it doesn't have a gyroscope in it, so it kind of moves around a bit, and you'll see as soon as I start to take off. This is what happens when it starts going up in the air. I'm just holding the throttle and it tends to spin. So you have to compensate for that spin when you fly it. So it's sort of a little harder to fly because, you know, it doesn't really want to go where you want it to go. It just kind of spins. So I'm trying to fly it straight, but it doesn't go straight. It just kind of curves around. So I keep trying to compensate for the spin. So it's okay. It's a pretty cool model. I just wish it doesn't spin so much. See, now it's spinning and I'm trying to control it. So that's the difference between a gyro and a non-gyro helicopter.